Hello everybody and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. On today's episode we're going to make a Caribeño. Right, it is a tropical drink that's very similar to a daiquiri. So this is for beach time, right? It's springtime right now. We're getting to that weather where we want to be outside, right? We want to be outside by the pool, we want to be outside by the beach, and I got something for you to take with you when you're doing your activities, right? So first we're going to start off with 2 ounces of rum. The drink calls for a Puerto Rican rum, but I'm sure you can substitute it for a rum that you desire. All right, so we got 2 ounces of rum. Next, we're going to go 4 ounces of coconut water. I'm using Vita Coco, the original. It's not from concentrate. You do as you choose. But we're going to go 4 ounces of coconut water. And using real coconut water give you a little electrolytes, right? So you won't dehydrate as quick when you're out hanging by the pool or on the beach. Next, we're only going to go 1/4 ounce of lime juice and 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. We have ice already in the shaker. Let me get the top on right so I don't make a mess. Give it a good shake. Next, we got our tiki glass with ice already. Pour it in there. And there you have it, a Caribeño. Let's try it out. Light, refreshing, really easy to go down. You can make this in mass quantity, right? You can figure out the ratios. Make a picture of this, sit by the pool, by the beach, and you would enjoy your day like I'm going to enjoy the rest of mine. Anyway, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Until next time, cheers.